Hey friends, welcome to another video. It's Saturday 14th of September and we are doing a short ride to Khandi village in Mau district of Pune. The waterfall you have seen at the start of this video is mostly famous as Jagtap Waterfalls. It is situated in a Mau village and it is around 60 km from Pune, which will take around 2 hours if you travel by old Pune-Mumbai highway. If you simply search Jagtap Waterfalls on Google Map, it will take you to exact location. They charge around 150 rupees per person as an entry fee. Though the waterfall is natural, but they have done some development around it for better enjoyment. They don't allow alcohol inside, so it is much better to enjoy the waterfall with your family and friends without any hassle. So everyone must visit during monsoon and enjoy safely. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and comment. Thank you.